Make a great choice today with the 2025 Atlas. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.